Calculator Online, How to Use Tax Calculator and Refund Estimator Tool, 2024-25, at H&R Block. Using the tax calculator on the H&R Block website is a straightforward process that helps you estimate your tax refund or the amount you might owe. Here's a detailed guide. 1. Access the tax calculator. Visit the H&R Block tax calculator page, https://www.hrblock.com/tax-calculator. 2. Start the calculation process. Click on the Calculate My Refund button to begin. 3. Answer simple questions. The calculator will prompt you to answer a series of questions about your life, income, and expenses. These questions typically include: filing status, choose your filing status, example single, married, filing jointly, head of household. Dependents, indicate the number of dependents you have. Income, enter your total income from various sources, such as wages, salaries, tips, and other taxable income. Deductions and credits, provide information about any deductions and credits you may qualify for, such as student loan interest, retirement contributions, and education expenses. 4. Review your inputs, double-check the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. The more precise your inputs, the more accurate your tax estimate will be. 5. Calculate your estimated tax refund. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the calculator will process your data and provide an estimate of your tax refund or the amount you might owe. The results will show: estimated refund, the amount you can expect to receive as a refund; amount owed, if applicable, the amount you might owe to the IRS. 6. Explore additional resources. The H&R Block website offers additional tools and resources to help you understand your tax situation better. These include: W-4 Tax Withholding Estimator, helps you determine the correct amount of tax to withhold from your paycheck. Tax Prep Checklist, provides a comprehensive list of documents and information you'll need to prepare your taxes. 7. Save or print your results. You can save or print your estimated tax results for your records or to use when filing your taxes. By following these steps, you can easily use the H&R Block tax calculator to get a clear picture of your tax situation. If you need more detailed instructions, you can explore the H&R Block tax calculator page, https://www.hrblock.com/tax-calculator, for further guidance.